Term and examination June 2022 Developmental Psychology BPCC 107 Course code BPCC 107 Total marks 100 Note: all questions are compulsory. Part A. Answer the following questions in about 500 words each. Each question carries 20 marks. Give an overview of the developmental changes across lifespan stages. Explain Kohlberg theory on moral development. Answer the following questions in about 100 words each. Each question carries 5 marks. Growth and development. Critical evaluation on Page's theory on cognitive development. Turning point in the life course theory. Types of play. Different or development of aggression. Ethological perspectives on human development. Part B. Note: you need to complete the activities according to given instructions. Please attempt the activities in the coherent and organized manner. The word limit for each activity in around 700 words. Each activity is of 15 marks. For the activities, you need to refer the self-learning material and any other relevant offline or online resources. Some usable resources are also listed at the end of each unit. Answer the following after watching the video. Summarize the major findings of the above equipment. Are there any ethical concerns in the experiment? Discuss the implications of the results from Harlow's experiment. Watch the video here. What are the differences between two younger and slightly old child in the video? Identify the two cognitive stages which are being shown in the video. Describe the scale that is shown on the video. Give a simple problem that helps understanding the theory of mind. Note: please mention references detail of the article books at the end of the written up.